In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on eBay. Whether you're looking to switch languages to better suit your personal preference, or you're trying to understand content more clearly, this process can enhance your eBay experience significantly. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the eBay homepage at ebay.com. You'll want to ensure that you are logged into your account, so if you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that by clicking on the sign in button located at the top of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're on the eBay homepage and logged in, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. It might seem like a lot of scrolling, but hang in there. At the footer of the web page, you'll need to keep an eye out for a small yet important icon, which is the flag icon. Alternatively, you might also see a language option presented directly in the footer. You're on the right path if you've found either of these. Click on that flag icon or on the language option. This will open up a small menu presenting you with a list of available languages that eBay supports. This is where you'll be able to select the language you desire. Take your time and carefully browse through the different options available to you, such as English, Spanish, French, or German, among others. Once you've found your preferred language, simply click on it. After you've made your selection, the site will automatically reload and present itself in the new language. And that's really all there is to it. Your eBay interface should now be displayed in the language you selected, making it easier for you to navigate and fully understand the content. Remember, you can change the language at any moment by repeating these steps, allowing you to switch back and forth depending on your needs or preferences. So there you have it. Your eBay language settings are now customized to suit you better. Don't forget, this simple adjustment can make your shopping experience more comfortable and enjoyable. It's always nice when websites come with these built-in options to cater to a diverse user base, ensuring everyone gets the best experience possible. Feel free to try this out yourself and see how seamless and user-friendly it truly is. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, enjoy your eBay shopping in a language